Imagine if you're able to sell 2 products for the price of 1. How much of a competitive advantage would that be over your competitors? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about bundling and how to technically bundle 2 products together, how to list those products on Amazon, and how to avoid the common mistake known as market splitting. Let's get started. So bundling definitely is very effective. However, a very common question: can you send the products over to the Amazon warehouse separately and have Amazon bundle them for you? And the answer is no. That's not how bundling works. You need to send the products over as one unit. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal. I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society, and we help entrepreneurs and businesses launch and grow on Amazon in the Middle East. How do you choose how to bundle the products from the supplier's side directly? So let's talk about 3 separate scenarios of how you can bundle products. Number 1, you get complementary products from the same supplier. So you have supplier A, and normally suppliers, especially if you're getting your products from China, normally suppliers or manufacturers manufacture a lot of complementary products. So if, for example, you want to sell a can opener, most probably the supplier is also going to be manufacturing a jar opener. So you can get 2 products from the same manufacturer, bundle them together, and send them over as one unit to the Amazon warehouse. That is the most cost-effective way of doing things, and honestly, it's the easiest. Additionally, you'll be able to negotiate a better price because you're getting all the products from one supplier and shipping them all together to the Amazon warehouse. That's not always possible. So scenario number 2, you would have 2 separate products from 2 separate suppliers, supplier A and supplier B. You would send over your product from supplier A over to supplier B. You negotiate with supplier B, and supplier B bundles your products together. There is the problem of thinking about logistics here. So logistics become, it's a little bit more complicated than scenario 1. And additionally, you need to think about packaging. How are you going to package these 2 products that might have completely different sizes together and send them over to the Amazon warehouse? And scenario number 3, which is honestly the easiest, however, it is the priciest, would be to send all the products separately to a 3PL in the marketplace that you are selling in, and have the 3PL bundle those products together for you, stick a barcode on them, and send them over to the Amazon warehouse. It's the most advanced and the most professional way of doing things. However, it's very expensive because you've got the labor cost of the 3PL, and additionally, you've got the cost of shipping all of these products separately, not together as one product. What about listing the products? Should you list them separately and somehow bundle them somewhere in Amazon? No. You need to list them as one unit. So even if the product is made of several items, you list them as one unit, because in Amazon's language and in Amazon's eyes, it's one product. You're selling it as one product. So think of an exercise set that has multiple products. However, it's sold as one set, it's marketed as one set, and it's sent to the Amazon warehouse as one set or one unit. You list the products as one product. You use only one UPC barcode for the whole entire bundle. And then you generate an FNSKU code, and you have only one FNSKU code. You stick it on the outermost part of the packaging, and that's how you send it over to the Amazon warehouse. There is no other way. If you do it any other way, Amazon will not receive it. So make sure you don't list several products together and think somehow magically they're going to be bundled up together when they get to the Amazon warehouse. What about selecting products to bundle together? This is very important. So we talked about all the technical elements. Selecting products to bundle together. the smartest thing to do would be to select complementary products. How do you find these complementary products? Well, number one, you can look on Amazon. In Amazon listings, if you look at your competitors' listings, in the listing itself, there is something known as the frequently bought together box, whereby you can see actual customers, actual Amazon customers, what they're purchasing together. Now, sometimes these two products are not really relevant, sometimes they're very random. But also, additionally, in the actual listing, you can also find a box known as customers who also saw this, additional products that customers researched in the actual Amazon platform. And you can see other products, but make sure that the products you are selecting are complementary. However, they also need to hold their own, meaning people are willing to purchase them separately. However, you're giving them a value offer by offering them two products together, not for the price of two separate products, however, for the price of one product or a little bit more than one product. So what customers need to feel is they're getting one main product and other products that are essentially also very important. However, they're getting them as a bonus, like an additional product, not paying a premium price for them, or else that wouldn't be a bundle if it's done any other way. You need to avoid a common mistake known as splitting the market or market splitting. The idea is that if the two products are not complementary, you might think that you're gonna niche down to a certain particular type of client that wants a rather quirky or random type of product. However, what you're essentially doing is splitting the market. Let me give you an example. So you want to sell a mouse pad, and additionally, you're thinking, well, a person that uses a laptop or a computer all day and needs a mouse pad probably also needs blue light glasses. Now, blue light glasses are a very trendy type of product, and those two products might seem a little bit complementary. However, you're not essentially taking from customers from both markets. You're taking a small sliver of both markets and essentially doing what is known as splitting the market, because it's a very niche type of bundle. And for a marketplace, a smaller marketplace like Amazon in the Middle East, you want to try to avoid these types of products that are very niche, that are niched down to a very small quantity or very small type of customers. An effective bundle would be to sell, for example, a gaming keyboard with a gaming mouse and a gaming headset. All of these products are used by one type of customer, a gamer, and they're not going to be, they're just complementary and they just go together. And it's just about providing value for your customers while making sure that you compete with your competitors. If you want to win a 1-hour Zoom call with me, just leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section down below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.